Okay, this is the new stock Ifor that's just come in, and we towed it back at motorway speeds. There's been no warm or noisy bearings. The tyres are all really good on it. Nothing's warm at all there. Just come up the M6. So there you go. If we're going to be super picky, there's one in plastic hubcaps missing off the other side, and the jockey wheel handle here is a little bit bent, but it works perfectly. So that's just me being super picky with you. Just show you where that hubcap's missing. Just there, look, the £3. Original ID plate, no issues whatsoever. Okay, this afternoon we've got an Ifor Williams TA510 12. So this is a 12-foot Ifor Williams stock trailer, and it's a really straight and tidy box. Every single light's working on it, the brakes are working on it, the tyres are really good. We're just going on the outside at the minute just to show you the actual box, and then we'll show you inside with the various setups that you've got, because it comes with the sheep decks. We've also got the full height divide here if you want to move cows or any other. So that's your full height divide that sits on the front there. Look how straight it is down the sides. It really is. There we go, look. Right, I'll put the tailgate down at the back and I'll show you some more stuff inside. All the vent flaps are in place on both sides. Tyres are really good. It's a nice box for somebody, this, and it comes with everything that you need. Signs of lots of maintenance as well, look. New assisters on the pop-up there, a new spring on there. So it's clearly been looked after. Watch the rest of the video, you'll see it in every different format. Just a quick look at the doors here. No hammer needed to shut the doors, they're just perfectly in line. Operating as you expect them to. Nothing been twisted, this corner's not been bashed at any time and knocked everything out of line. Okay, we're in full open mode here. We've got no decks in or anything, no divides, so this is just straight into the trailer. The sheep decks are here all folded up. We'll put them down in a little while. See a bit of sheep deck there. You can see the roof's in good order, it's not all been bashed. Quite often get bashes on these sides. All the divide brackets are in place. At the back here they always get bashed about a bit. I mean, there's some tiny dints, but I'm being fussy on it for a cattle trailer. Floor. Solid everywhere. It'll put up with my 13 stone and a bit. It'll put up with anything. Okay, keep watching because we're going to show you the sheep decks down next. Okay, so we're just about halfway through setting the decks up. It only takes a couple of minutes. That front one folds down, you put your crossbars in, and then these two side ones fold in and out. I just thought, I haven't showed you the full height dividing, which is hanging on the front panel, but if you don't know what the full height divide looks like, it goes into those pins and on the floor. Anyway, I'll carry on putting the decks up for you. Just finishing off, there's your top divide in place. Even has the little bar which stops the more energetic ones trying to escape from the top when the decks are up like this. So you've got everything you need, it's a complete outfit. So here we are with the decks out and the divide gates in. There we go. So all the sheep decks fold up. The crossbars go in this section here, behind this when this is folded up. And then that other bit of the ramp hangs on those two brackets there. and clipped onto those bungs. And obviously the other bits all fold up out the way. So you have everything with you that you need all the time. You've not got anything left behind at the farm. Okay, the brakes are on at the minute. Take them off and I can easily freewheel this trailer. And what I'm trying to do is push it and see that the brakes are working.